I know that. I should have never let you go. I should have never left you all alone. You were my home. Stay away from the people who make you feel crappy and stick with the ones who make you feel happy. You don't need to know why they rejected you. Just know that if someone rejects you for any reason at all, that they were wrong for you. Some people come into your life for a lifetime, and some of them came to take part of it as a scene. Find someone that knows your true worth. You should never go to someone else when you are mad at the person you are in a relationship with. Fix the problem with them. No human was created to be a pawn or a toy in the life of another. Trust is earned from respect. Love grows with honest, intimate sacrifices. Little things in a relationship mean a lot because they are the foundation for beautiful tomorrows. Some people come in your life as blessings, others come in your life as lessons. Never get too attached to anyone because attachment leads to expectations and expectations leads to disappointments. Forgive yourself and move on. Mistakes are irreversible, but the future can be changed to the best.